When is a prima facie case required for legal proof? Have you ever wondered when a prima facie case is necessary for legal proof? This concept plays a vital role in the courtroom, and understanding it can clarify many legal processes. A prima facie case is required at the beginning of a legal proceeding. This is when the party with the burden of proof must show enough evidence to establish the essential elements of their claim or charge. What does this mean in practical terms? It means that the evidence presented must be sufficient, on its face, to support the claim unless it is later rebutted or disproved by the opposing party. If a party fails to establish a prima facie case, the claim can be dismissed early, often before a full trial takes place. In courtrooms, the prima facie case serves as a threshold test. It helps determine whether the evidence presented is adequate to move forward with the case. For instance, in a criminal trial, the prosecution must present prima facie evidence for each element of the crime charged. This includes proving that the defendant committed the act and had the required intent. If the prosecution does not meet this standard, the defense can request dismissal because the case lacks sufficient legal merit to proceed. The same principle applies in civil cases, such as negligence or tort claims. Here, the plaintiff must produce prima facie evidence showing the defendant's liability. For example, in a car accident case, showing that one driver rear-ended another can establish a prima facie case of negligence. This shifts the burden to the defendant to provide a valid defense or explanation. It is important to note that a prima facie case is not the final proof of guilt or liability. Instead, it creates a legal presumption that allows the case to survive early dismissal and proceed to trial or further legal examination. Once a prima facie case is established, the opposing party has the opportunity to rebut the evidence with contrary proof. The court then weighs all evidence to reach a final decision. In essence, a prima facie case is required whenever the party bearing the burden of proof must demonstrate sufficient initial evidence. This requirement acts as a gatekeeper in courtrooms, ensuring that only claims with a minimum level of evidentiary support can continue to a full trial or judgment. Understanding this concept can help clarify the legal process and the importance of evidence in argumentation.